Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the Eachine ROTG01. People have had some issues connecting this unit to an external monitor. What I found out that it works if you only plug in the video pin and the ground pin. I soldered up this RCA cable to the unit, and all I have to do now is just plug it in like so. And to power the device, you can use your phone, or you can use an USB power supply. I'm going to try it with a USB power supply. So just hook it up. Now we got 5 volts. The 5 volt pin really doesn't work. I don't know why. It should work, but there's still no signal. You need a video signal for the unit to turn on as well. Well, the screen needs a video signal. So I just plug in a battery, and then there it goes. Now I got the video in. Camera gear, other gear, phone, and microphone, and that's me. Yeah. So you can use a power bank. If you don't use power bank, you can use your phone. I'm going to show you that now. I'll plug it in like so. When I plug in the phone, I can use my FPV viewer, and I can record the DVR. I just press record, and I still can see on the screen if I'm flying around, and the latency is pretty good. Yep. So it's not very hard to plug in. That's my battery. It's not supposed to go down there. So that's all to it. Video out. Yeah, I can pause this. Video out and ground. I haven't tested the audio, but I will probably do that in a later session. And today I'm going to fly at the Svedala Airsoft Arena, and yeah, I'll put that up on YouTube as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.